Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change personal name on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app and log into your account. Then tap right here at your profile picture, and then on your profile page you will see a button that says Edit Profile. Just tap on it. You'll be taken to a page where you can edit your personal information, including your name. Tap on the name field and make the necessary changes. You can remove that entire name and type in anything that you want, and then just hit Add Done to save the changes. Just keep in mind that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.